Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install M1 Finance investment accounts. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your app store on your device. Search for M1 Finance. Download and install the M1 Finance app. Once installed, open the app. Tap on Create Account to begin the sign-up process. Enter your email address. Choose a secure password. Confirm your password. Tap on Sign Up. You will receive a verification email. Check your inbox and click on the verification link. Return to the M1 Finance app. Log in with your email and password. Select Investment Account to begin the setup. Review the account types available. Choose the account that best suits your investment goals. Fill in your personal information, including your name, address, and date of birth. Provide your social security number for identity verification. Complete the employment details section. Indicate your investment experience level. Review and accept the terms and conditions. Last, submit your application. You will receive a notification once your account is approved. Log back into the app to start funding your account. Tap on Add Funds to deposit money into your investment account. Choose your funding method, either bank transfer or another option. Follow the prompts to complete the transfer. Once funding is complete, explore the investment options available. Start building your portfolio according to your investment strategy. Congratulations, your M1 Finance investment account is now set up and ready to use. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.